You don't want to overcook the bok choy, you know. So I think this is done. Let's taste it. Let's see. Sour. I like sour my soup. Alright guys, so let's eat our Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Fil-Am Vloggers here. So today's vlogs guys, I'm cooking fish sinigang. So right here I have 2 pieces of fish. I think this is tilapia. And I have here bok choy and 2 pieces of chili pepper and 1 piece eggplant. This is the big eggplant, but you can use any kind of eggplant. So I have fish patties here, or fish sauce. There you go. So now I'm boiling water, so it's ready to put the fish on the boiling water. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so my boiling water is ready, so I add onions, tomato on my boiling water. So let's go add the fish. This is very easy to cook fish sinigang. So let's put the chicken on the boiling water, just like that. And right now I'm cooking some rice on my rice cooker. It's going to be delicious sinigang because the weather is cold, so this is really good for the cold weather to eat sinigang, fish sinigang for dinner. Alright guys, so let it boil, and next after that we're gonna add the fish sauce. So let it boil first. Alright, so let it boil for a few minutes. Let's cover and steam. Hi guys, welcome back. So it's already boiling the fish, so let's add some patties, just a little bit. Okay, just a little bit of patties. Alright guys, so let's stir the fish. You know, the fish is very cooked really fast. So right now I'm going to add the sampalok sinigang. So I got right here Sita, so I'm gonna add this to my sinigang next. This is going to be delicious sinigang. Alright, so let's stir the sauce. Now it's going to be, delicious. Bilis lang siyang maluto. Let's taste it. So good. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of my Sita mix. It's good also guys, if you make sinigang, you can add ginger into your fish sinigang. But tonight I don't have ginger, I'm out, so whatever I had in the ref, so that's all I'm using. So just onions, tomato into my boiling water, and I'm gonna add some black pepper, crushed black pepper right here. My rice is done. Just click. Okay, so next I'm going to add vegetables. Let's grab the vegetables. Hold on guys. be right back. Alright guys, so I'm gonna separate my bok choy to a separate bowl because I'm going to cook the eggplant first, and then I will do the bok choy last because I don't want to overcook the bok choy. So let it put the eggplant first and the chili pepper. See? Alright, let's go. Let's turn the heat a little bit into medium because the fish will cook fast. Alright, let's add the eggplant. So I'm using the Japanese eggplant, the big one. But again, you can use the small one, eggplants, but that's all they have at the store. The other, I mean, they have the small one, but it's not, doesn't look nice. So I'm using the Japanese eggplant. I don't know if that was Japanese eggplant, but it was a big eggplant. Alright, so let it cook a few minutes, the eggplant, and then after that we're gonna add bok choy. So I'll see you guys around. Let's cover it up for a few minutes. Okay?
A few moments later.
Alright guys, after a few minutes, it's ready to add our bok choy. It's very hot. Let's add the bok choy. That's a lot of vegetables here. I like vegetables. I like eating vegetables. Actually, I like putting a lot of vegetable into my soup. Like when I'm cooking sinigang like this, or sinigang na baboy, I really use a lot of vegetables into my soup because it's good for you and it's healthy. It's okay if you have a little bit of meats, but if you have a lot of vegetable, and it's good to go, you know. So let it cook for a few minutes and let it simmer, and after that it's ready to eat, guys. Alright, so let's cover again, and I see you guys in a few minutes. If you enjoyed this video, please give the video a big thumbs up and comment, share, and subscribe to our channel, guys. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope you enjoy this video. So I see you guys after a few minutes. Hello guys, welcome back again. So now our bok choy is cooked. There it goes. So our sinigang is ready to serve. It's cooked, guys. Yeah, it's perfect. You don't want to overcook the bok choy, you know. So I think this is done. Let's taste it. Let's see. Sour. I like sour in my soup. Alright guys, so let's eat our fish sinigang. It's cooked. So let's turn off the fire. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys in my next vlog. Have a nice day to all, and God bless. See you guys around.